Hi, today we will be reviewing how to read a whole number with a decimal and how to analyze and explain the place value of the digits that compose a number. The first thing we're going to review is that whenever we see the decimal point, we know that all the digits that are located to the left or on the left side of the decimal point are considered whole numbers. And all the numbers that are on the right side of the decimal point are considered decimals or fractions. They're actually fractions of a whole after the decimal point. So on this side of this number, we have the decimals or the fractions, okay, of the whole fraction, and to the on the left side we have the whole numbers. So if you remember, when we were learning about place value, or when we were learning whole numbers, we learned that each digit that is part of a whole number has a place value. For instance, digit number 1 here is on the ones place. If we have another number here, it'll be on the other one we have the tens place, and then we have hundred place value. We have also here thousand place value. These are the place value of whole numbers. However, when we analyze the place value of the numbers that are located after the decimal point on the fraction side, we know that each one of these digits have also a place value. And if you see here on top of this screen, the first place value is the tens place. So number 4 or digit 4, I'm sorry, is on the tens place. Then number 5 is going to be located on the hundreds place value. 100. Okay? Hundreds. THS in both instances. Okay? So we have the tenths place and the hundreds place. We have another decimal digit here is gonna be on the thousands place. So whenever you are reading a number that includes whole numbers and decimals, the way you're gonna read this number is as follows. Here we have 1 and 45 hundredths. The last digit that you have written on your decimal side is gonna be the digit that is gonna give the name to the whole decimal number. Notice that whenever I am talking about the decimal, I said and. So this number is read 1 and 45 hundredths. Let's practice with one more number, a different number, okay? Let's see right here. Carefully. And now we're gonna have 5 and 77 hundredths. Another number. Now we have 3 and 125 thousandths. And I miss one U here. Give me 1 second. This is not well spelled. It's a thousand. Okay, so whenever we're reading this number is 3 and 125 thousandths. Okay, this is the way you read decimal numbers, and this is the way you understand place value when you're working with whole numbers and decimals. Now you try. Please read by yourself the following numbers, okay? How you read these numbers. Practice at home, please. How can you read these numbers? Just remember, whenever you're reading decimals, the last decimal that you have on the decimal side is the one that gives the number the decimal name. Please practice and see you next time. Bye.